My name is Lenin Fernando. I am studying forest engineer at the UNAD. I am 45 years old. I live in Candelaria, in Cali. I had a family of 5 people, and we live in a large house on a farm. My wife, my mother, my brother, my nephew, and my sister-in-law. My three experience every year. Travel for reason for my work at the beginning of the year visit India. I was visit India. This myself. I was visiting the Agra city. In this place there is a monument, Taj Mahal. This wonderful is what building over 300 years ago. The main transportation are bike, motorcycle, bike, and train. Their vehicles are light. The food, many people live in this country. It is the second most popular country on the planet. The food is very spicy. Are vegetable that do not consume beef because the cow is sacred animals. The market are on the street. Myself, my friend, other friends. The market are the street on the street, nothing expensive. It is center conventions. This myself, my friend he is from Brazil. He is from India, Portugal, Mexico. There are his husband is his son. This place is north India, border white Nepal and Chinese. My recommendation for the travel: don't forget to apply for your visa in advance. This request online. Don't forget the destination card. Do you have to book a hotel? Do you need money in dollar for your expenses? Please you visit the sir of the high summer. Can you ride a camel and an elephant? Enjoy your trip.